Inspired by the Holy Spirit, we serve a mighty, awesome God, a just God, a rational God, not an irrational God. And he showed me that the teaching of the circle, specifically the value of pi, is unjust. It's a false scale. And I just want to show you a little glimpse of how God created the equilateral triangle and the circle with the same measurement, meaning that the same measurement God put up the center of the equilateral triangle that connects the 3.6-inch hypotenuse to the 1.8-inch adjacent. He wrapped around the 1-inch diameter circle. And I'm going to show you just a quick formula, the volume of a sphere formula. It's 4/3 pi r cubed, right? Well, where does that 4/3 come from? I'm about to show you a couple ways how we get the volume of a sphere and how it's balanced with the triangle. You see our example circle is a 1-inch radius circle, and the volume formula is right here, 4/3 pi r cubed. Where does the 4/3 come from? Well, it comes from the hypotenuse of this equilateral triangle that's formed with the radius being the opposite leg. 1.1547005384 is the square root of 1.3 repeating. So whenever you square this number, it equals 1.3 repeating. 4/3 is equal to 1.3 repeating. Whenever you square this number, this leg inside your circle, and multiply it by your half circumference, it will equal the volume of your circle. And another formula where the triangle and the circle are balanced to equal the volume is when you take the diameter and square it. And the reason we take the diameter and square it is because the diameter is also the hypotenuse of the bigger special right triangle inside your circle. Back to our example problem. So whenever you square the diameter and multiply it by the length to 60 degrees, why 60? Because that's the angle inside the equilateral triangle, it will equal the volume of your circle also. So if we would take 2 inches and square it, that's 4, and multiply it by the distance to 60 degrees, which is 1.03923048845, it'll equal the same as the other formula and the volume of your circle. Inspired by the Holy Spirit and coming to a classroom near you.